Hello, good morning, dear students. Okay, in this chapter, we are discussing about the states of matter. Okay, which are the three different states: solid, liquid, and gas. You know that, right? Okay, today we are going to study about the properties of solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, what is the main property of solid? Main property of the solid, we know that solid have a definite shape and solid have a definite volume, and solid are rigid. We do not get compressed because solids like cotton, sponge, etc. we can compress. Otherwise we do not compress. Okay, and in solids the molecules are very closely packed each other, and the intermolecular space between the intermolecular force of attraction is very strong, and intermolecular space is very negligible in solid. Okay, what is the main characters properties of these solids? Solid have a definite shape, have a definite volume. Solids are rigid. Solid molecules are very closely, tightly packed each other, and intermolecular force of attraction is very strong, and intermolecular space is negligible. Okay, all of you got it. Okay, these are the major properties of solids. Okay, let's do an activity to understand the property of solids. The materials required for this activity are a duster and three containers of different shape. Take a duster and three containers of different shape and observe the shapes of duster. And now it's placed the duster inside a container, the first container A, and let watch. Does the shape of the duster is changed? Then now remove the duster from the first container and put it one by one. Put in the order containers, other containers. The observe its shape in each case. Does any change? Through this activity, we can observe that the shape of the duster does not change, and also the volume of the duster does not change, and the duster does not get compressed. So we can conclude that a solid has a definite shape, a solid has definite volume, and a solid does not get compressed. Okay. Next, we are going to discussing about some properties of liquid. What is the major properties of the liquid? A liquid do not have a definite shape. A liquid have a definite volume, and the liquids are not rigid. In liquids, the molecules are not very closely packed. That means the intermolecular space is more than those in solids, and the intermolecular force of attraction are not very strong. Okay, these are the major properties of the liquid. First one is the liquids do not have a definite shape. It occurs the shape where the container which it kept. Okay, and liquid have a definite volume. Liquid are not rigid than the compared to solids, and the liquids are not very closely packed. That means the intermolecular space is more than those in solids, and intermolecular force of attraction is very strong. Okay, let's do an activity to understand the properties of the liquid. Okay. The materials required is a measuring cylinder, water, and 2 or 3 containers of the different shape. And measure 50 ml of water with the help of a measuring cylinder and observe the shape of the water in the measuring cylinder. Now pour water into another container of the different shape and observe. In each time the water takes the shape of its container, we can observe that the volume of the water remains the same. So we can conclude that the liquids does not have a fixed shape. They take the shape of the container, and also the liquid have a definite volume. Okay, what are the properties of liquids? The liquids can flow. Liquid do not have a definite shape. It occurs the shape of the container which it kept. Liquid have a definite volume. Liquid are not rigid and the molecules are not very closely packed. The intermolecular force of attraction is not very strong, and in liquids the intermolecular space are more than those in solids. Okay, all of you clear? Then next we are going to the properties of gas. Which are the major properties? Gas can flow easily, right? Yes, gas can flow easily because gas do not have a definite shape and also do not have a definite volume. And gas can flow easily. Gas are not rigid and the molecules are very loosely packed each other. That means intermolecular force of attraction is negligible and intermolecular space are maximum in gas. Okay, this is the major properties of the gas. Gas can flow easily because the intermolecular space are maximum in gaseous state. Okay, let's do the activity to understand the properties of gas. Okay, the materials required for these activities are 3 balloons of different shape. Okay, and take 3 balloons of different shape and fill equal amount of air into these balloons. Does air take the shape of the balloon and in which it filled as shown? Okay, in this figure, look at this figure, and from this activity we can observe that the air take the shape of the balloon in which it is filled, and also the balloon do not occupy the same space. So we can conclude that gas do not have a definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are filled, and also the gas do not have a fixed volume. Okay, gas do not have a definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are filled, and also gas do not have a fixed volume. All of you got it? Which are the main properties of gas? Gas do not have a definite shape and also do not have a definite volume. Gas can flow easily. Gas are not rigid. The molecules are very loosely packed in gaseous state, and the intermolecular force of attraction are negligible, and the intermolecular space are maximum in gas. Okay, thank you.